Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an account on Opensea. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't skip any part of this video. And if this is your first time of watching our videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel because we upload latest videos. Now let's get right into the video. The first thing you got to do is to go to the Opensea site. As you can see, we're on the site Opensea. Here you can see discover, collect and sell extraordinary NFTs. Opensea is the world's first and largest NFT marketplace. So this Opensea is a site where you can sell and buy NFTs. Now, for you to be able to create an account, you need a Metamax wallet. So go to Chrome and search Metamax extension. Right here you can see the Metamax extension, and I have the option to remove this from Chrome because I have already added it. So all you need to do is to add this extension, and once you're done adding it, you have to create an account. And once you're done creating your account, you have to go back to Opensea. You have to click on create, and then here you can see connect your wallet. So here you see the option to choose from this wallet available on this site. There are different wallets available. You have the Metamask, Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, Python. So choose any of these wallets. So I prefer Metamask, and this is the popular one among these. So click on Metamask, and then here you have to sign in your Metamask wallet. The reason why you are doing this is because if someone buys your NFT, your money will be sent to your Metamask account. So click on sign in, and as you can see, you have successfully created an Opensea account. Here you can go on and create your new item, and then you'll be able to sell this and make money online. Thanks for watching this video. In our next video, I'll be showing you guys how to create an Opensea account on your mobile device. So make sure you check our videos time to time so you won't miss out on our daily uploads. Thanks. Subscribe to our channel for more latest videos.